All right, welcome back to Module 5.3. In this lecture video, let's take a look at recognizing and dealing with doing problems involving metric units of measurement for mass. Okay, mass is weight. I don't like the word mass. I like the word weight. Mass is, to me, is a little bit different. So again, here we're going to convert from metric units to another metric units involving with weight or mass. So this is just like converting between length to another length within the matrix. So as you can recall, all we need to do, the easiest way to do this is moving the decimal points as guided by the prefix, or we can multiply by the unit fractions. Okay, so I'm gonna show you to do this exact the same way as with kilometers, millimeters, meters. So one extra note here: the metric ton. 1 metric ton is referring to 1,000 kilograms. So the first question asks, how many metric ton are in 352 kilograms? So this problem is basically asking 352 kilogram convert to metric ton, lowercase t. So if you look at the ratio, 1 metric ton is 1,000 kilograms. So that will make metric ton a larger unit, kilogram as a smaller unit. And even though kilogram has more numerical value in front of it, but metric ton is still bigger because think about this, you give me 1 metric ton, but in return, I gotta give you back 1,000 of my kilogram. So it's a 1 to 1,000 ratio. So that make your units larger because you only give me 1 of yours, but I gotta give you 1,000 of mine. It's not like a 1 to 1 ratio. It's a 1 to 1,000 ratio. So the fair is 1 to 1. Okay, but since my metric ton is a larger unit, because compared to a kilogram, so 1 of yours given to me is in return is 1,000 of mine. Okay, so that make your units larger than mine. So for this problem, 352 kilogram is a smaller unit compared to a large unit. So if I use the shortcut way, like we did before, small to large, we will divide, and the conversion number between metric ton and kilogram is 1,000. So we will take 352 divided by 1,000, which is same thing as moving my decimal to the left 3 places. So my answer got to be 0.352 ton. All right. But now this problem, then another example here is how many milligrams are in 505 kilograms. So we always got to watch out for the units. Okay. What units are we converting? So when you hear the word milligram, and you read kilogram, this is convert between metric to metric. So all we got to do is using the chart. Okay, this is not like we are dealing with areas or volume. So 505 kilogram need to now be converted into milligram. Okay, so let's move our decimal, starting with kilo. And I'm heading to milligram. mg is milligram. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places to the right. So I need to move my decimal to the right 6 places. That's also equivalent times by 1,000,000. 60 is 1,000,000. So for 505, the decimal is behind it, moving this decimal to the right 6 places. So that give me actually 6 empty space where I can put my 0 in. So most students just know this is 505 with 60 attached to it. Okay, that will be my answer. All right, how many grams are in 463.25 kilogram? So this time it want me to convert kilogram into gram. So let's see, starting at kilo, I need to go to gram. Kilo go to gram. 1, 2, 3. Gram is right here in the center, just like liters and meters. 1 meter, 1 liter, 1 gram is in the middle. So that was simply moving the decimal to the right 3 places. So by now, hopefully, you can see moving this decimal to the right 3 places, that will only give you 1 empty slot because the 2 and the 5 already took up 2 spaces. So 1 empty slot to put my 0 in, my answer, 463 250. Okay, so just a very, very quick and brief lecture video on how to convert metric to metric involving with gram, involving with mass or weight. Okay, all right, thank you for watching.